This video is not for stolen phone. Please and please make sure you ask for the receipt of the phone or the carton to verify the original owner of this phone before you start using this video to unlock your mobile device. This is warning. Please and please make sure you verify the ownership before you start using this video. So let's get started. I just want to show you on how to fix this phone Smart 5. It's very straightforward. So for me to just go directly to where it asks you to enter your Google account, so I don't need that. You all know where the problem is. Most especially if you look at this small key at the top here, look at it, this small key, if you find it on your phone, definitely you have problem. So what you just need to do now is to just change this language. You will change this language. Follow the step that I'm taking. So I will select this language, then you click on next. You next again. Here you will now click on this plus. Click on this plus. Then you will now type something here. It will bring out the keyboard. You will now press and hold this keyboard. Select this one at the bottom here. Then you now click on this blue button. Click on this arrow. And you come up here and select these 3 dots. From there, click on this one. Let it load. I think you can see it. You will allow it to bring out the share icon at the top here. I think you can see it. Then you click on that share. Now you come down to this place. The major problem that we are trying to come across is update Google accounts, and we are not going to make use of that. Here you will just type this website called add-rom. Type in add-rom, add like this. You see the language is not changing, so you now click on this icon, then change the keyboard. From there you will now search for add-rom like this. Add-rom bypass. Click on this one and open it. This is where we are going to. You see, look at this open screen smart lock. I think you can see, just go directly. Is it that you want to put pin 1122 like this, next, then 1122 next. Simple as that. Then you go back, pata. Even if you want to do it, you can off your phone completely. Off it and restart. Now that you have restarted your phone, you now click open it with the password that you input in the first place. Then go to next. Make sure you change your language back to English. Then you continue next. And if you discover that this Wi-Fi is not working for you, because there are some phones, they are very stubborn. If you put Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi will not let it proceed. Make use of your SIM card. Remove SIM card that has data or data network, let me put it that way. Then you click on use data like this. It will continue. Then you will load it like this. I think you are following it. So click on this one. It will take us to where to enter that password. Hope you are looking at it. Don't forget 1122 that we input the other time. I think you can see it now. So you will now skip the Google account and continue. The phone has unlocked. So you are good to go. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. And I believe you are to support me with like, then subscribe. Make sure you share this video with friends. Also, then on your notification bell. From there you'll be able to receive alerts, or you'll be notified whenever I upload this type of video. You will be the first person to check it out. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.